Alright, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna assemble the old Z3 back together. LKQ wants the motor, and I don't care, it's all garbage now. So we're gonna assemble everything back together. Alright, so I have the bottom block already upside down. What we're gonna simply do is add the crank. And go ahead and use both hands because this sucker is heavy. Alright, there it is. Want to make sure that rear main seal is on there. That way it doesn't leak oil. Alright, let's go ahead and put, I believe this is called the cradle. I'm not too sure, but I guess it'll cradle the crank. So let's go ahead and put this one on there. Alright, and there it is. We just got to put all these bolts on. Check it out. That's that plug right here. If you want to do the Type S oil pump, you got to clog this one up. You got to remove it and clog it. There it is. Otherwise you won't have any oil pressure. I'm not doing the the Type S oil pump on mine, just simply because the whole kit is like $700. The whole reason I am doing this is because motor blew, obviously. I just got my title, so I need to smog it. Transfer my title. I got a loud exhaust ticket I need to take care of. That's why I just need this bitch up and running. So let's go ahead and put on the bolts for this. And I have them inside this little Ziploc baggie. Oops, wrong hole. That's what she said. Let's go ahead and put all of these in here and tighten each one. Then we'll drum them in with the impact. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and drive all these down. Let's go ahead, and I'm gonna keep the oil pump. I'm gonna keep the carnage. That's mine. Let's go ahead and put the oil in now. They can keep that little bit of oil. Whoa. Excuse me, tools. Alright, here are all of the oil pan screws. I'm gonna go ahead and put them all in here. Alright, and there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and secure all of them down using a 10 mil. Nice and sealed. Alright, there she is, nice and secure. Now I'm going to flip her over. We're going to slap the heads on, the valve covers. The heads on, the front cover, then the valve cover. We'll go as we go. Yeah. Alright, there's the head. I'm going to go ahead and put in all the bolts in all the holes. I'm starting to go at a little cricket. I really don't care anymore. Start working on the other motor. Alright. There's the heads. I'm going to keep the cams and the valve train. Let's go ahead and put the front cover. Have to probably remove this one. Not too sure. Maybe. Put that sucker here. I just ordered this gasket right here, the one right there. Yeah. Let's go ahead and slap this front cover on. Let's get the bolts on there. All right, there they are. Let me go ahead and secure them down. When I do my motor, I'm not doing this for sure. Okay, I think that's it. Now we're gonna put this little cover on. Alrighty, here we are. Let's go ahead and secure these down. Sweet. Can't even tell. Wait. Forgot one more piece of the puzzle. Sweet. Oh, damn. You know what? We're gonna have to put these. Because there's some of them somewhere inside all this mess. The ones that come out to here and bolt on. So let me find those real quick. Oh look, here they are. This one, this one, this one. Oh shit, all of them. Well, I guess we are putting them on. Okay. This one's gonna stay out. It didn't want to go in. Whatever. That's that fast because it's missing the whole valve train, the fucking the cams, everything. Now let's throw on the valve covers. There you go. Just throw these on. Make it seem like it's nice and sealed. That way they take the long block, throw it on the pallet, and they're ready to take it. There it is. Sweet. Now this sucker's ready to go. Well, I just gotta throw it on the pallet. But other than that, pretty much build this whole block in under 10 minutes. You know. Whoa. As long as you're still working. It's alright, we have lifetime warranty? No, not lifetime. We have some warranty on it. There it is. Grab this pallet. I wonder if I'll be able to pick it up and drop it in there. Let me see. I'm hella gonna give my back out. Fuck you, K20. You ain't beating me. You're off. See you later. Hasta luego, bitch. You served me good. I'm gonna miss you, baby girl. What the fuck am I kidding, huh? Man. Damn. It is what it is. On to bigger and better things, I guess. Oh shit. Hey, cams are gone. Oh well. What can you do? That's pretty much it for now. And that will do it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, so there I have the motor loaded up onto the pallet on this BMW X5. Out of all freaking cars in the trunk, it fits. Oh, I guess I gotta close it all the way or press the button. Sweet. That shit looks dope. BMW powered by K-Series. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.